Okay, yeah, welcome to the Intellect Soft. Once again, my name is Agabe Philip. I'm excited to be here once again because I have something interesting to share with you. And make sure after watching this video, make sure you go to my YouTube channel and subscribe because I'll be doing wonderful videos as well. This one is just uh, to educate you on how to make money with your blog and also your website. It's very simple. Many people has been using Google AdSense, but it has a lot of limitations. When you are using the Google AdSense, you must reach their standard. There are certain requirements that you must reach before Google AdSense can actually place an advert in your website for you to start making money. Remember that for you to make money with your website without selling anything or doing affiliate marketing, it means that definitely Google AdSense is going to place an advert in your website. So once a user comes in, the first thing that is going to pop up is the advert. And once the user clicks on the advert banner or logo, perhaps is actually going to take him to a different website that Google has created. It's going to generate a traffic for Google, and that is how you're actually going to make your money. You will not understand the logic behind Google making its own money, but today I will be explaining some few things to you so that you can also start making your money. You can also have a machine without going to the office every day. There are so many people out there who, if the office is not working today, they will not really have what to make their money with. But today I'm here to change that narrative. If I have a very good blog. If you don't know how to create a blog, just contact me. You click on the link the link of this video below, and then you get my details and can contact me on how to create a blog and start making your money. And you cannot just jump into creating a blog. There must be something you love doing so much. So when you are going into creating a blog, you definitely have something in mind that you want to, educate the audience about. So in today's video, I will be taking you to what is called Astera. Astera is also a platform that you can actually add your website and then start to place an advert. It's virtually just like Google AdSense, but their own requirements are not as much or are not as strict as that of Google AdSense. But if you just click on the Astera.com, you will be able to see a lot of things. So okay, but before that, let me actually take you to my dashboard. Let me take you to my dashboard in my Astera.com so that you can actually see what I'm talking about here. If you come down to this place now, you see my dashboard. And let me take you straight to my statistics and then make a little analysis and explanation to you. If you come to my statistics now, you see impressions, you see clicks, you see CTR, you see CPM, you see revenue. And if you look at this impression very well, the first day, which is the 31st of May, I made 3 clicks, and then three impressions, and then I had 1 click, and this CTR is about 3.333%. And the higher your CPN, the higher your earning. If you look at this CPN now, you discover it's about 0.734, and the revenue for that CPN is $0.002. And if you add this one to this one now, if you look at this second one now, you have 19 impressions, and the click is just one. But if you look at it now, the CTR up here is higher than the CTR down here, which is about 5.263%, and then the CPM here is 0.143. If you look at this CPM, is higher than this CPM, right? Yeah. And if you look at the revenue here, is about 0.03. It means that this CPN is much better than this CPN. The higher your CPN, the higher the CPN, and the better the revenue that it will generate. And if you look at this one, I had just zero clicks. Initially I had 10 impressions but 0 click. That 10 impression here means that I have somebody has visited my blog, but he did not click on this extra adverts, and then there is nothing that I'm generating for this 10 impression, in as much as there are 10, but there is no click that has been occurred on the Google Astera banner. So I will really do not have anything to generate as a revenue for such clicks. And if you look at this one too, this one itself is just zero, and this one is also zero, and nothing has been generated. And if you look at the total clicks now, you discover there is exactly 32. And if you look at this other one, I have another 2 clicks here, and it's 6.25, 6.250%, and the CPN is about 0.1 0.54 and I have a revenue of about 0.005. Okay, so that is how everything is being done. The CPN is actually what is bringing the money in, and the revenue is actually what you are generating from the click. If you go up a little bit now, you discover I have everything will be combined and the total will be pronounced for you. I have about 0.04, and recently, I think about yesterday, I withdrew about $250 from this account. That is why the account is looking like this. And since then, I have not been able to work on it again. So there is not really much here to give. Okay, but if you go to your website, which is actually the main step for you to do now, if you come to this your website, you'll be asked to add a website. But so before that, let's go to the Astera.com so that we can actually create an account. If you go to Astera.com, you can just add Astera.com, and okay, yeah, now okay, it's here. The Astera.com is actually here now. So when you click on this sign up, you can sign up as an advertiser, you can sign up as a publisher, you can sign up as an affiliate marketer. So if I click on this publisher, it's actually going to sign me up here. But I have clicked on the sign up as a publisher before, so the next thing that is actually going to happen is going to take me straight to my dashboard. But you have not done that, so when you click on it, it's not actually going to bring you here, but it's going to bring you to a total page where you can actually fill in your information, your detail, and make sure you do absolutely the right thing they're asking you to do, and then you start making your money. Just go back to this place if you are done with that first step that you have to create to sign up and add the full name, your detail, your detail, your email address, your password that you can actually be using to log in. When you're using to log in, it will actually going to bring you to this place. So in here, you're going to click on add a new website. This add a new website is very, very simple. You can click on add a new website, and this place now is where you are going to add the URL of your website. But I have done a lot of things. I have utilized all my websites, so there is no website that is outside. I can actually use it as a sample to demonstrate what is actually happening here. But I beg your pardon, if you have a website, just add it there, and then you go down to this place. These are select what this place now is actually the category of your website. So if your website is a social website, you can actually click on it, and then what you're actually going to do is the label one. So me, I really love using the native brand, but you can use anything like this one, anyone here you can use, and then you will uncheck what you don't really want your website to be advertised, and then you go to add. Me add is actually going to add, and then it will take you to where the dashboard runs again. And when you drag down a little bit, you see that instead of this approved, now it will be pending when it will be approved. So what is it? It is approved. You see this thing we turn to this color, and then you see this thing pressing down, all codes pressing down. So when you click on it now, it's going to run and turn up the code for you to go and copy the code. When you copy the code, actually you're going to take it straight to your blog where you're actually going to make your first money with it. Okay, let's pay attention and see. Okay, if we drag down now, we see that something has happened. So we can click on get the code. Click on get the code now. Oh yeah, we're actually there now. Look at it now. This is the crypt. When you click on it now, okay, your code was successfully copied. So the next thing to do is just go to your website that you have created. Go to the back end of your website, create a HTML or JavaScript a widget for it, and then add your code there, and then you start making your money. Okay, that is all about making money with Astera.com. And if you don't really understand how it happened, make sure you watch the other videos that I'll be explaining it in detail. I'll design a website very soon, and I'll be adding it again to Astera.com. Make sure you stay tuned and start making your huge money. Okay, let's go.